Welcome to another episode of Cleaning with the Academy. I'm Dave Thompson, your coach for today. Here's today's hack. If you got a Kaivac, you hear it running in the background, this is a lance. So instead of that little pinpoint spray or wide angle spray, this rotates. You gotta see this work, man. Did you see that dirt come down the wall? Look at that. Now I'll tell you what, if you really want to clean something, this is what you need to have. That's my hack for today. So folks, join me for another episode of Cleaning with the Academy.